Alright, what's going on today? I'm going to be showing you guys how to download Project Playtime on mobile, and I'm going to be basically showing you the step-by-step instructions on how you can do this. Now, we are going to be downloading an app called Project Playtime Plus Plus. Now look, if you guys don't know what it looks like, here look. We download the app and look, right there it says, for my people that have actually played Project Playtime on console or on Steam, you can see there's an OK. We hit the OK and we are in the lobby. We are ready to go. This is obviously a new account, so we're on phase 1. We got some few coins. I did start this out, but yeah, it's so sick. You can play this on mobile now, wherever you go, on the subway, in the car, whatever you want it, or wherever you want to play it. You can do it on your mobile device. And today I am going to be showing you how you guys at home can be doing this on an iPhone or an Android. So yeah, we're going to get right into it. I'm going to be showing you guys the step-by-step on how to do this on, for me, an iPhone, but if you have an Android device, it's okay. Just follow the steps you see in this video and you should have no problem with this whatsoever. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into it. I am going to be showing you guys how to do this step by step. Very simple, very straightforward. So yeah, let's just go. Okay, so before we actually can start downloading any kind of app, we gotta do a few pre-checks. We gotta check a few things before we can actually start. First thing is in settings, so we're gonna head over there. In settings, we wanna go over to general. And in general, you wanna look at about. The reason we're in about, you can see the software version of this phone. It is 15.6.1. We just want to make sure that it is above, or anything above iOS 10. So if you got iOS 10 and up, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, that means that this device is capable of doing the download. If you have any device that is below iOS 10, it's too old of a firmware and this isn't really up to date. These apps aren't really like made for devices that are below iOS 10, but I'm pretty sure in this day and age, you who are watching this video trying to download this has a device above iOS 10. Now, once we have made sure of our software version, you can see software 15.6.1, swipe back. I'm going to go down to battery. This is the second thing we're checking. In battery, you just want to look at the low power mode. You can see my low power mode tab is switched off. For whatever reason, when the low power mode is switched on, when we're trying to download the app, it just does not seem to download properly. You can download the app, and then once you try to open and use the app that we're trying to download, you will often see glitches or you will see bugs within the downloaded app. So it's like a bugged version of the app. For this purpose, we're going to keep low power mode off. Once we have downloaded the app, you can use low power mode on, or you can turn low power mode on when using the app. That's no problem. But in the process of actually downloading the app, we want to make sure that a low power mode is off. Once we've checked for those two things, we can swipe back. We're going to swipe up. And we are going to go to our web browsing app of choice. And for us, that is Safari. Let it install. Once we have it installed, it will say the website is trying to download configuration profile. Do you want to allow it? We do. Hit allow. Close this. We're going to swipe up. Now we're going to go back to settings, go over to general, go down to VPN device management, Project Playtime, hit install, to your passcode, next, install. And just like that, Project Playtime is installed. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.